Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be entering the northern coastal, no, which highway is this? The north-south highway, also known as the Edward Siaga Highway. So this is the Unity Valley entrance, and this is also, it's in the Monique area. Not sure why they call it Unity Valley and not Monique, but so there you can see the sign, the Edward Siaga Highway. So we're going to enter here and drive all the way to the end of the highway in Miami Bay. So we're going to
press the button and take the card.
collect the card now.
Safe journey.
And then this card we will present when we're exiting, and they'll tell us how much to pay. So this is Unity Valley, and when this road was originally built, it was called the North-South Highway, or the North-South leg of Highway 2000. It was later renamed the Edward Siaga Highway. Now, I'm just going to point out this Texaco gas station. I'm not sure what happened, but this gas station is what you would call an epic failure. So we're going to drive through. Now, to enter this gas station, you have to be on the toll road. You have to pass through that toll plaza. And I'm not sure what they were thinking, but as you can see, this gas station is open. There's not one car here, and it's like this every day. I don't know if something changed after. I don't know. So basically, this is a Texaco in Unity Valley, but to access the road, you have to be on the highway, and their price is not anything special, $251, which is a normal price. But here you can see the staff sitting down, and this is how this gas station is all the time. It's just empty, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, about 15, 12 pumps. I have no idea. Does anybody know what the original plan was for this highway? I don't know. Okay, if we turn left here, we'd go on the highway and go towards Kingston, but we want to go towards Miami Bay. Okay, so basically you saw that we got on the highway, we got the card, and that's how you access the gas station. You saw. So now, let's say we just bought gas and we want to go back on the regular road. We have to go through the toll plaza and pay toll. So I don't know if the idea behind this gas station was, okay, if you're on the highway and you need gas, you get it. Well, who is going to get on a highway and not have enough gas? No, this gas station is not open 24 hours. So I really don't know what the thinking was or what the business plan was in putting a gas station there. Honestly, you would put the gas station before you get on the highway, or maybe the plan was the highway would have so much traffic that people would buy gas. I don't know. I really don't know. But as it is now, it's what we would call an epic failure. You saw the gas station in the middle of the day, 12 o'clock in the day. Not one car, and every time we pass there, not one car. There are 12 pumps, but there is only one attendant there. So that will give you an example. And when I say attendant, that is the person who pumps the gas. In Jamaica, you don't pump your own gas. You have the gas stations have persons that work there that pump the gas. So there you can see it. Now, another thing with this is, if you are coming from Kingston to Spanish Town, you'll be on the opposite side of the road from the gas station. So I guess you would have to exit, like what that car is doing, go all the way around and then go to the gas station. And there you can see two cars, not one. None of them stop at the gas station on their way. I don't know. If anybody knows the story or the history behind that gas station, please let us know. I would love to make a video about it, but as it is now, it's very confusing as to why they would put a gas station on the highway, and the only way you can access the gas station is when you're on the highway. I mean, I don't know. I can't imagine somebody would think that the highway would have that much traffic, and then the gas station is not open 24 hours, so you don't know if you want to risk going, not having enough gas, and then you reach there and then the gas station is closed and you're stuck on the highway. I really don't know. What I think happened, this is just my personal opinion, is that maybe the highway, when the highway was being built, you could access that gas station without going on the highway. That's what, and then maybe something changed, and the gas station was already being built. And honestly, I don't know, because that doesn't even sound logical. But I really don't know what the theory was or the thinking was behind that gas station. So if anybody knows, please leave a comment in the section below. Alright, so we're back on the highway now. This is the Edward Siarga Highway, and we're heading towards Miami Bay. And I'm also curious as to why they would call, well, I guess it's that toll plaza is called Unity Valley, but Monique is, well, I guess it's the same way they call it Angels instead of Spanish Town. So I guess that is the actual Unity Valley area. So I guess it makes sense. But when you say Spanish Town, people more, that is more popular, I guess, or people know exactly where you're talking. When you say Unity Valley toll plaza, people are going to be like, Unity Valley, and then somebody then going to say, oh, that's right by Monique. But if they had called it the Monique toll plaza, it would have, a lot more persons would know where you're talking quicker. I'm actually surprised that that gas station is still open, because this highway has been built a couple years now, and that gas station has never had traffic in there. Every time I've used this road, I've looked at that gas station and it's empty. Okay, somebody just flashed us. That means police are on the road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.